Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna. Thank you, Vinita Gadavika Mataji, for always being there. Thank you so much. Oh, dear Vrinda is sleeping, huh? Hare bol, Tanvi.
Mataji, this is Radhika Rasika.
Hare Krishna Radhika Rasika. Hare Krishna Tanvi. Hare bol.
Hare Krishna.
Bol.
Hare Krishna.
Hridayan, Anshu, Khushi, Kanishk, Kanshuk, Sham Sundar,
Kenshuk.
Srilata, Mihika.
Mataji.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna Mataji. Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna. I see all of you. Happy, happy faces.
Unmute.
You can come on your video, okay, so that I can see you. Put over there.
Also like.
Okay, so we will start the screen share.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna.
Don't put it on the lap.
Mataji.
Put it on the table. Nice, put it on the table.
Hare bol. One second, I'll see this. Can you all see the slides?
No Mataji. No Mataji.
Okay.
No Mataji. No Mataji. All we can see is a blue screen.
Okay.
Yes, Mataji, we can now. Kind of. Yeah, now we can, Mataji.
Okay. Let me see John so that I know whom to ask. Okay, yeah, we can see perfect. Okay. So we'll start with our prayers, okay? Everyone, how many of them are there? We will wait. Okay, we can start now. So everybody together.
Om Jnanatimirandasya
Vikrandasya Jnananjana Shalakaya Chakshurunditam Yena
Tasmai Shri Gurave Namah.
Namo Vishnupadaya
Krishna
Preshaya
Bhutale
Namine Namaste Saraswate Deve Gauravani Pracharine Nirvishesha Shunyavadi Pashtadeshatarine Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadara Srivasadi Gaurabhaktavrinda Hare Krishna Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare
Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama,
Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare
Okay, so what we
Krishna,
will do is,
Hare Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama,
Hare Rama, Rama Rama,
Rama, Hare Hare,
Hare
Hare Krishna,
Okay, Hare Krishna. Okay,
Krishna, Hare
use this box also.
Rama, Rama, Hare Hare.
Okay, why do you see that box over there? You shouldn't be seeing that box. Okay, you know what? Let me do it again. 1 second, let me do it again.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna,
Mataji, I didn't see any box.
Yeah, but I don't know why I'm seeing it.
I can see it too, Mataji.
Now, Mataji, we can't see anything.
Yeah, 1 second, it's loading. Can you see now?
Sharing another document and then try sharing this document. But what is it first?
Mataji, we cannot see anything. Now we can see that. Mataji, we can't see anything. Now we can see.
Give me 1 minute, 1 minute.
Sorry to all.
We can't see anything, Mataji.
1 second, wait a minute. Recover us out there.
ఏం చెప్పింది లోడ్ అవుతుంది ఆగండి అని చెప్పింది ఇప్పుడే కదా క్లాస్ అయింది అవునా
No, it cannot be. Okay, 1 second.
ఇదిగో చదువు
See now?
Yes, Mataji.
Okay.
Better.
So now we will do this 2.7 verse, okay? Everybody together. Okay. So everybody will repeat one word at a time along with me. Karpanya dosho. Pahata swabhavaha. Karpanya dosho. Karpanya dosho. Pahata swabhavaha. Karpanya dosho pahata swabhavaha. Prichhami tvam dharma samudachetah. Prichhami tvam dharma samudachetah. Karpanya dosho pahata swabhavaha. Prichhami tvam dharma samudachetah. Yashreha Okay, you know what? You're going to repeat after me one word at a time so that we all can be together. Yashrehan Nishitam Bruhitanme Yashrehan Bruhitanme. One word at a time we can do, okay? If there is any background music of any background talk, then you can mute yourself. You can repeat one word at a time so that everybody will understand what we are doing. Okay? Yashreha, Shan, Nishchitam, Bruhitanme, Yashreha, Shan, Nishchitam, Bruhitanme,
Nishchitam Bhuvitanme.
Shishasteham,
Shasteham.
Shishasteham,
Shasteham.
Shishasteham,
Shasteham.
Sadhimam,
Imam.
Sadhimam, Tvam Prapannam, Tvam Prapannam, Shasteham, Shishasteham,
color paper,
Sadhimam Tam Prapannam. Okay, we again say it, okay? Karpanya dosho pahata swabhavaha. Karpanya dosho pahata swabhavaha.
What do I do? Why did you change the meeting ID and everything?
Mitvam
Why did you change the meeting ID and everything?
dharma sammudha chetaha. Yashreha shanishritam bruhi tanme. Yashreha shanishritam bruhi tanme. Shishasteham sadhimam tam prapannam.
Shishasteham sadhimam tvam prapannam.
Shishasteham sadhimam tvam prapannam. Karpanya dosho pahata swabhavaha. Prichhami tvam dharma sammudha chetaha. Yashreha shanishritam bruhi tanme. Yashreha shanishritam bruhi tanme. Shishasteham sadhimam tvam prapannam. Okay. Mataji, can they see me?
We can see you, Mataji. We can't see you, Mataji. We can see you, Mataji. Your camera is off, Mataji.
The video.
Mataji, we can hear you, but we can't see you. Mataji, you can hear, but we can't see you.
Nidoshe sabha pracham.
Okay, I don't know what is happening, Mataji, but I cannot have my video on. Why it is?
Mataji, is the camera used elsewhere? Because
What's wrong?
The camera symbol is not there.
Camera is there, but it showed something different only on my thing.
Yeah, so your camera symbol only is not active. That means your camera is not even connected.
Okay.
Or it's connected in a different place.
Okay, how do I do that then?
You're using laptop camera?
Yeah.
Okay, just check if your webcam is on in some other app.
Okay.
Otherwise, you can log out and log in.
Oh, I'll log out and log. No, but then.
Mataji, we can't see your face.
Yes, dear, we are trying to fix that.
It is not shown over here, Ashutosh. I'm telling you.
Mataji, we can't see your.
Yes, everyone, 2 minutes. Mataji will come on video.
We're trying to help.
Yes, dear, everyone, yeah, we'll wait and then Mataji will come.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. We'll be quiet, okay?
Okay.
We'll be waiting for Mataji.
Okay, Mataji, it might have to restart my computer, so then forget it. I'll just go continue like this, Mataji.
You can do one more thing. If you have a phone, you can keep it on.
Arey, haan.
Video
Yeah, I can. Okay. Now you can see me on the
and
computer.
reduce the volume of it, Mataji. Don't join through the audio, only join through video. I mean, like it's option, right? You don't need to
see you now,
join
Mataji.
the audio.
We can see you now, Mataji.
Can you see me now?
Yes. No, we cannot see you. No, we cannot see you, Mataji.
Mataji, you know that where I am joining in that as, what am I? Swati's iPhone. That you can spotlight then.
Yeah, just give me a minute.
Sorry, kids, for the trouble.
Yeah, I can see you, Mataji.
But we can still not see your camera. Mataji, we can see you now. We can see you. Yes.
We can see you, Mataji.
Okay, 1 second. Okay, now I'll have our original
But
slide.
Mataji, how can you talk? It says that you're mute.
I am doing a trick, you know.
You're probably attending to, right?
Mataji, I know you're showing your video through your iPhone. Through your phone, and then you're speaking through your laptop.
Yes. Okay, I'm doing magic. Okay, first let me see now.
You probably know magic, Mataji.
Yes, you know what? I am going to today. Don't save. Okay. Now I have to do.
Let's get back to our slide and continue.
Yes, now I have to do start screen sharing. And
Mataji, you already stopped.
yes, beta, I'm doing 1 second.
She's trying to find the slide we were on.
Yeah, because that got cut off. Sorry for wasting this much time.
It's okay.
Can you see the slides? Mataji, can you all see the slides?
No,
No, Mataji.
no, Mataji.
Can't.
Now what is happening?
I think it's loading.
It's not.
You are sharing on Sita Preeti, right?
Yes, it's gonna come. It's gonna come. Yes, it's there. Mataji, we can see it. Okay,
We can just see
now we can see slides.
Ikde na.
we can't see the slides.
Yes, beta, I don't know what is happening today.
Yeah, you can open the PPT. Good.
So he mala 13 slides to screen share करायचे.
Open it first. What do you mean? This is open, right?
हाँ, now.
Come on, I have to. He messed up. He can't. It's not working.
Mataji, you're not sharing screen anymore.
Yes, 13th. Okay.
Mataji, we can't see anything now. We can only see your roof.
Yes, beta, come in.
Yes,
Come.
it's starting. It's starting. Yeah, we can see Mataji.
Hooray, we can see.
The United States.
Come within the purview of the camera. Come inside. Come inside. Ah, good job.
Hooray!
Yay, you did it.
Yeah, but this not from this phone, not from the camera, from the laptop. It is from my phone. I think it is lagging behind with some things. Okay. So now we are going to see. Okay, see, now I want, you know what, who? Sham Sundar, can you read the translation?
What?
Can you read the translation?
Yeah. Now I can confuse about my duty and have lost all composure because of weakness in this condition. I am asking you to tell me clearly what is best for me. Now I am your
Disciple
and a soul surrendered onto you. Instruct me.
Very good. Okay, now from this verse, what we have to understand is, first of all, okay, everybody, if there is any noise which is coming from behind, you can mute yourself, okay? Whenever you want to talk, you can unmute and talk. So now, this verse is, you know what, is a turning point in all of the Bhagavad Gita, because it is from here that the real instructions of Lord Krishna start. Okay, what happened was, with just to give a brief idea.
Mataji, you're on mute. Till we can hear if you're on mute. Till we can hear you.
You can hear me if I mute, right?
Yes.
Because I'm doing some magic.
Using two devices.
Okay, listen, okay? So see, what happened was, Lord Krishna and Arjuna, they were in the battlefield.
Can you disable the chat?
Kids will not chat, okay? Because then what happens? Everybody cannot see the slide. All the chat comes on the slide and then you cannot see. Let me see who's going to follow off not doing the chat. So what happened was, like on the battlefield, there were all the Kauravas, the Pandavas, and over there, Arjuna felt like, oh Krishna, look, all my brothers are there, all my gurus are there. How am I going to fight with them? And then he started getting confused. What should I do? What should I not do? And he started becoming weak. Weak in sense he could not think of what I'm going to do now. And he started talking to Krishna. Because earlier what he was doing, he was looking at everyone and he was feeling, oh, this is my brother, this is my guru, this is my grandfather. Now he looked at Krishna and he said, Krishna, I do not understand what is going on. I do not understand what to do. And this condition is making me very weak. And that is the reason now when I cannot understand anything, you please decide what am I going to do. And see over here, this is a very important word over here, surrendered. Okay, can somebody tell me what does surrendered mean?
It means like surrender.
It means like you give up.
Okay. Yes, Shri, you were saying something?
Yes, Mataji. Surrender means like you gave up.
Okay.
Yeah, so like if two armies fight, the winning army wins and the other army basically surrenders.
Okay.
Or giving up.
You understand that by surrender, right? So again, we will come back to this word of surrender in our next part, okay? So let us go to the further parts over here. Now, what happens is, like Arjuna said, a very important word over here is, he said that now I am your disciple and a soul surrendered onto you. Now this disciple word which is there, that means he told Lord Krishna, now you are my guru. Okay. What is a disciple? Who is a disciple? Whom tell me? Wait, let me ask someone. Okay, Gandharvika, can you unmute and tell me what a disciple means? Gandharvika, you have raised your hand. Can you unmute yourself? Okay, Pari, can you unmute yourself and tell me?
Mataji, disciple means like you're totally like surrendered unto your guru, and disciple also means like you always listen to your guru, and it doesn't have to be that you have to be like an initiated disciple. It does, like, you can be uninitiated, but you should follow the instructions. And a disciple also means a person who does something without the guru without the guru telling that you should do it.
Okay, he follows the guru, right? He's going to follow the guru. Okay, good. Very nice. It's so nice to have this understanding. Okay, now what we are going to see is what is the importance. That means this verse was a turning point in the Bhagavad Gita, right? That means that from that time, Lord Krishna, he starts explaining the Bhagavad Gita. So when Lord Krishna starts explaining the Bhagavad Gita, that means he starts instructing Arjuna on the knowledge. And this instruction can be given only by a spiritual master. Spiritual master is also called as a guru. Okay. Now we have a guru and a disciple. See, a disciple, he offers dandavat to his guru. That means he is totally surrendered to the lotus feet of the guru. And he says to the guru that I am your disciple and please instruct me, please guide me. Okay. Sometimes the guru can be directly in front of you. Sometimes the guru might not be in front of you. Okay. So there are, okay. So, and a guru, he selflessly, guru does not wish, oh, you know what, oh, disciple, if you are going to listen to me, then I will give you this mantra. If you are going to listen to me, I will do this for you. There is no give and take like this. Okay. It is totally a devotional aspect which we are going to look into this. And we will go to understand what exactly it is. Okay. Now you might see that there are so many of the people, they wear the orange cloth and they might come and they might say, oh, I am a guru, I am a guru. Okay. They might sit on a big asan and then they will say, I am a guru. But in this today's world, we have to understand who a real guru is. Who is a guru from whom I should take instructions from. I cannot go in any guru. If a guru says, oh, you know what, tomorrow go and give me one whole bag of gold, and then I will be a guru. Or can that person be a guru?
No,
if he's asking you to do something like this?
No, Mataji. You can also know if a person's a real guru or a fake, because real gurus, they're always like very humble, and they're very humble, and the fake gurus, they're kind of very proud that I'm a guru, I'm a guru.
Yes, you know what? A real guru will never tell you that I'm a guru, come to me, I'm a guru, come to me, come on, wash my feet. He will never say you like that. Okay? So a person, okay, are you Mataji. Shirisha, can you unmute and read this, what is written over here?
A person with a bona fide spiritual master is supposed to know everything. One should not, therefore, remain in a material perplexities, but should approach a spiritual master.
Okay. Now, approach a spiritual master means what? We have to go and really find for a spiritual master. We have to go and seek for a spiritual master. Only if we are going to really want to understand what our real aim of life is. Why am I over here? Right? There are so many questions when we are small, when we are young. We ask some questions to our parents. They will make us understand. They will tell us what the things are. But as you grow in life, there are some things when you start thinking, why did I come to this life? Why did I take birth? Am I just going to come in the life? Am I going to just be alive and then go away from this world? What is exactly that I am supposed to do in this world? And that those questions, which are all spiritual questions, which I have to understand, I can understand from a real spiritual master. Okay.
Mataji, it's like the fake gurus are like Mayavadis.
Okay, yeah, we'll go to that
Like
also. Okay?
my dad told me a story yesterday where it's one of the disciples from Prabhupada. So he didn't fully surrender, but he already like kind of surrendered to the Mayavadi because he liked the philosophy and everything. But then Prabhupada came because his dad has like a big company in India. But so basically, Prabhupada tells him he's fake and everything, but the Prabhu doesn't believe him because he already like surrendered. He already believes the Mayavadi. So then Prabhupada tells the Prabhu to like ask some questions to him. So he did and then the Mayavadi he like got confused and stuff like that, but he covered it up.
Yes, a real guru will
So
be
then
able to answer these questions.
After that, the Prabhu he asked the Mayavadi that why is like why if you're Narayan, why are you getting old? And then the Mayavadi said because I have to. And then Prabhu saw like that the Mayavadi was trying to cover up, and then he went to Prabhupada and became his disciple.
Yes, so this understanding is for only very rare people, and at the right time to get a guru is also a real fortune, right? So you have to be on the path of Krishna consciousness, and only then you will understand who is a true guru and who is a fake guru. Okay, a fake guru will just ask you for things, he will just ask you to do favors for him. Okay, and a real guru will have some points we are going to see each. Okay, and I want you to really pay attention to this. See, now Arjuna,
Mataji, can you go to the back slide?
Sorry?
Never mind, it's fine.
Okay, so a real guru is well versed in the Vedic scriptures and follow their principles. Okay, identifying themselves as a humble servant of God, you all said, right? And never claim to be God. A real guru will never say that he is God. His act with control of their senses and never fall under their control. Okay, that means whatever sense gratification are there, they are not for the gurus. The gurus will have perfect control on their senses. They are not going to have any like, okay, are they going out and wearing different clothes? No, they have renounced their clothes and they are wearing the saffron, right? So their senses are well under their control. And the guru, he preaches by his instructions or by his way, what he's following, he is preaching the same thing. Like whatever he tells, like there was an example, there's a story wherein a lady goes to a guru and she tells him, you know what, my son is just eating sweets all day, and I want you to tell him that to stop eating the sweets. And the guru says, okay, you know what, you come after a week and then I'll talk to him. Now the lady feels, oh, you know what, the guru could have just told me now to talk to my son right now itself. She said, okay, never mind, I'll come next week. She comes next week and then the guru talks to the son. He says, you know what, eating too many sweets is not good for you. You should be controlling them and see to it that you're not eating too many sweets. The lady said, Guruji, last week I came to you. This was so simple. You could have just told me that and then it would have been done. So why did you wait for 1 week? The guru said that, you know what, I myself was eating sweets. And if I'm not following that, how will I tell somebody else to follow that? So if I have to instruct someone, I have to follow that myself. And only then I will be able to instruct somebody else. And I took that 1 week to follow that thing, not to eat more sweets, and then I could instruct your son. So always remember, a guru is going to follow what he preaches. He's fully dedicated to the Lord. He preaches by his action. And the very most important thing is he belongs to the line of gurus. That is, he belongs to the disciplic succession. That means how the knowledge, yes?
There's like another story related to this.
Can we come to the, can you hold on? Who is this?
Buddy.
Pari, can I ask you at the end to again tell the story? Please remind me, okay? Please remind me again. We'll just finish this part so that we are on track. Because my computer today is giving a lot of problem to me. I don't know why. It is getting hanged, I guess. It's have to take time. Okay. No. Vinita Gandharika Mataji. My phone is getting hanged.
Yes, Mataji. Can you hear me, Mataji?
Yeah, I can hear you. I think I should send you the slides so that because my computer is getting hanged.
Oh, okay, okay. You can send it to me, Mataji. I will open my computer.
Yeah, it is taking a long time to. 1 second, Mataji. I'm sending you on WhatsApp, Mataji.
Sure, Mataji. I will open in my computer.
What happened, Mataji?
My computer is hanging, so it is lagging behind. So I'm going to send it to Vinita Gandharika Mataji and she will screen these slides. Because it is taking a long time to reach to the next slide. I should have switched off the computer and then come back again.
Mataji, your phone's camera is on.
Yes.
Yeah, it's back on.
Okay, so now after the real guru, see what we are going to see is, see what Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu has instructed us, that also we are going to see, and what Srila Prabhupada has to say, that also we will see. Okay, now see in Madhya Leela, what has, okay, pay attention, okay kids. In Madhya Leela, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu has said, I want, Ujasvi, can you read the translation?
Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda.
Can you read the translation over here?
Nityananda.
Ujasvi,
Yes, Mataji.
can you read the translation?
Instruct everyone to follow the orders of Lord Krishna as they are given in the Bhagavad Gita and Srimad Bhagavatam. In this way, become a spiritual master and try to liberate everyone in this land.
Okay, see what is it? Yara dekhe tara kahe Krishna upadesh, amara agyay guru, hana tara ei desh. That means whatever the instructions has given by Lord Krishna, you have to follow that. And you become a spiritual master and try to liberate everyone in this land. That means everybody has to go back to Godhead. That was the instruction given by Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Okay. Now see, there were when Srila Prabhupada, he was initiating disciples, right? And the initial disciples of Srila Prabhupada, they were all like they were majority hippies. That means they were very much into all sense gratification. They were not being accepted by the society. But when they started following their guru, when they started seeing what Srila Prabhupada was doing, that time they became into Krishna consciousness. They started chanting. They started doing all things which were needed for it. Whichever Srila Prabhupada had said, they used to follow it. Swamiji, they used to say. Okay. Then one of the disciples once asked Srila Prabhupada. He said, Srila Prabhupada, what was our qualification that you made us your disciples? Because disciples have to have qualifications, right? And Srila Prabhupada said, he explained it to them that you did not have any qualification. You were made qualified. So the Guru has a potency, the Guru has a way to make disciples. Okay. You're sharing, Mataji? Yeah.
I guess I'm on right slide, Mataji.
Yes, Mataji. Yeah. I'm sorry, Mataji. I'll have to disturb you to again and again to go to the next slides.
No, no problem. Please, I'm there.
Yeah. So then Srila Prabhupada, he told Srila Prabhupada told them that you were made qualified to become a disciple. You did not have the qualification yourself, but you were made qualified to become a disciple. Okay. Next slide, Mataji. I'm so sorry about this. The next slide, Mataji.
Mataji changed it, right?
Yeah, you know what? This is all a mess. Yeah, my computer is lagging behind, so I see it after 2-3 seconds. Okay. Now, when Shri Krishna, he instructed Arjuna on the battlefield. Yeah, so when Lord Shri Krishna instructed Arjuna on the battlefield, he could understand that it was his duty to fight, right? And he had to fight because whatever was going on with him, it was only his weakness. And he understood that Lord Krishna, whatever, if I'm a disciple of the Lord, if I'm the disciple of my Guru, I have to do what the Guru says, because the Guru knows what is best for me. And the Guru will never put me into a condition where I cannot succeed. Always you have to have that faith in the Lord. And that faith is what Arjuna showed in Lord Krishna. Okay, Mataji, next slide. Condition. Yeah. Now see, over here we are going to have because we know Arjuna, right? Arjuna was in a confused state. So now let us see what is with respect to us. How are we in condition of in the same thing as Arjuna is? See, Arjuna was bewildered. That means Arjuna was confused. He was in anxiety. What to do, what not to do. Now I want you to understand, do you also face such situations? Do you feel that you also undergo such situations sometime?
Yes, Mataji.
You have that situation? Anybody one of them can answer? Rudra, do you want to answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Rudra. What do you feel? There is any confusion situation that you go?
When my parents say the opposite things.
Like what?
Like sometimes my dad says to not wear underwear when I go.
That's okay. Yeah, you know what, Rudra, there are many things which happen, you know, that sometimes you feel that I have to, today is Friday and I have to sit down and watch something at night, and then your parents say no, it is not good for you to do that, and then you do not understand what is right and what is wrong. My other friends are looking at it, why am I not supposed to do that? So sometimes we get confused in right and wrong, okay, because many of them are doing it, so we feel it is right. But then when our parents tell it, we have to listen to it, because our parents are going to tell you the right thing to do. Sometimes I tell my son, you know what, wear this dress today. And he says, no, I want to wear another dress. So, and then it gets confused, oh, whether should I listen to my parents, whether listen to myself. So always remember, according to the weather, your parents might tell you, according to the weather, you have to wear your dress, right? So you have to listen to your parents, because your parents are your first guru. Okay, Rudra? What's up? Yes.
I have the same experience. Like it's like if I don't want to do something, like I don't want to wear something, or I don't want to do something, then or I don't want to put that on my art and craft, then whenever like I have, like it was one festival in Australia, and yes, it was Prabhupada Parents' Day, and my mom said that wear this dress. I'm like, I'm not going to wear it. And she said, no, otherwise your friends will mock you. And I'm like, no, I'm not going to wear it. And then once my mom got really angry, I said, I'm going to wear it. And then I realized that when I wore it, like everyone was kind of praising me.
Yes, very good, very good. So you should listen to your parents, okay? Mataji, the back slide again. So what was Arjuna's condition and our condition? We'll see that, okay? Again, one more second point about it. This was Arjuna was confused. And then, yeah, so then decision, yeah. So then what we saw is that, do we face such situations in life? And we saw, yes, we do face such situations when we are confused and decision making gets hard, okay? Mataji, the 15th slide now, please. I'll tell you the number. Sorry, Mataji, I'll tell you the number only. Yeah, the 15th slide. Yes. So now when we are in this perplexed situation, always remember that these are small things, what to wear, what to not wear, what to do, what to not to do. But when you are growing, you will have real lifetime situations which are coming up. Okay. And in this situation, sometimes you might not see that because you might have not be following any guru, or you might not have any Guru Maharaj, right? So what you should do is you have to pray to Krishna. And praying to Krishna is the best. Why? Everybody together. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare,
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna.
Okay. So now what happens is this chanting is going to bring us closer to Krishna. You can hear me?
Yes, Mataji. Yes, Mataji.
Chanting is going to bring you closer to Krishna. The singing is going to bring you closer to Krishna. The kirtan which you do, that will also bring you closer to Krishna. Mataji, next slide.
Mataji, what is kirtan?
Kirtan, when you are singing the bhajans of the Lord. Okay. Now see, when a human being, when a normal person is in the material perspective, he will think, oh, what to do, what not to do. It's confused, right? So many times we see that we are confused. Next slide, Mataji. Oh, Krishna, I'm so sorry.
Mataji, we are in 16th slide, right? You don't
18th, you can go to the 17th now.
Okay. Yeah, 17th.
Yeah.
Maybe it's taking few seconds for you.
Yeah. So then, yeah. So then now what do we need to do? We saw that we have to chant so that we get closer to Krishna. We have to do kirtan so that we can have the love for Krishna. Also, we have to start reading our scriptures. Okay. Because remember, Srimad Bhagavatam is no other than Lord Krishna himself. Okay, so what does the Vedic literature tell us? That you have to approach a bona fide spiritual master, and that spiritual master will get you from darkness to the light. Because when we do not understand what we have to do, we are in darkness. Okay? So when we do not understand what we have to do, it is that we are in darkness. And a spiritual master can take you from the darkness to the light. Now I cannot go outside anywhere and just, oh, you know what, I saw this video and I like this master and I'm going with him. No. Whenever you have to have a spiritual master, that spiritual master has to be in the disciplic succession.
What's that? Time just go 8:19.
You're on mute, Mataji.
Mataji, you got muted. Disciple succession. You said until.
Now you can hear me?
Yes, sir. Now we can hear, but there is echo.
There's
Sorry?
so much echo in Mataji.
Okay. You know what? Let me do it.
You just come out of the computer, Mataji. There is no use being the phone.
Now can you hear me, Mataji?
Yes, Mataji, we can hear you.
Okay, so the Vedic literature, what does it say? That you have to have a guru who is in the disciplic succession. That means the guru's guru, the guru's guru. And when you go down finding who is the guru of this guru, who is the guru of this guru, that guru has to be connected to our parampara. Okay, and that guru will help you to get the mercy of Krishna. Now always remember,
I am sitting here. I am listening to you.
Very good. So what you have to always remember is you will say, oh, I am sitting in India. My Guru Maharaj is somewhere else. I do not know. How do I get my Guru Maharaj? You should not be worried about that. Because when your chanting is sincere, when you are really, really seeking for a Guru, by the mercy of Krishna, you will get the Guru. And by the mercy of Guru, you will get Krishna. Always remember this mantra. With the mercy of Krishna, you will get Guru. And by the mercy of Guru, you will get Krishna. So now, somebody can answer me that what is the key to get Guru? The last line over here. Who can answer me?
Chanting.
Chanting. Very nice. Very nice. Chanting. Mataji, can we go to slide 19? 19, not 18. 18 first and then 19. Okay. So now see. Now when I get a guru, then did Arjuna ask Krishna, oh Krishna, do you know how many people are over here? Do you know which is my family over here? Did he ask such questions to Krishna? Kavish, what do you feel?
No, Mataji.
No, he did
No,
not.
Mataji.
So when we get our guru, can I ask my guru, oh Guru Maharaj, when will I get a lottery ticket? Or when will I get some wealth? Can I ask him like that questions?
No.
But we all say that the guru knows everything. Then why can I not ask him these questions? Okay.
Because the Guru,
Yes, why should I not ask my guru like this? Advait, can you answer? Why can I not ask guru? The guru knows everything. Then why should I not ask my guru how much wealth I can have, how much money I should earn, where should I go for a vacation? Why can I not ask my guru like this?
Very nice.
Who wants to answer?
Mataji, can Shri answer?
Yes, Shri, go ahead.
Mataji, I think it is like when you're really confused, you find a guru. But so you need to ask questions you're really confused about, not like when am I gonna go on a vacation like that.
But I'm confused about my wealth also. I'm confused about my bank balance also. What to do?
Can Pari answer?
Yes.
You can't ask it because normally in the Krishna consciousness, gurus normally only answer they only answered questions about Krishna consciousness, like related to Krishna consciousness. They never answer things of family or wealth or anything.
Very good, very good. See, what is it? This wealth, but these are all money, vacation. These are all material sense gratification. Okay. And these things, if you get engaged into these things, you will get away from Krishna. The main objective of my guru is that he is going to take us near to Krishna. He is not going to take you away from Krishna. So these material pleasures are nowhere in his dictionary. Okay. So I have to ask such questions wherein spiritually I can make progress. Okay. The guru is not telling you leave everything and sit at home. Okay. Whatever you need to do to sustain your life, you have to do. But we have to be very inquisitive and very intelligent when we are asking questions to our guru. Okay.
Mataji, it's asking about questions relevant to Krishna consciousness.
Yes, whatever is relevant to Krishna consciousness. Mataji, can we go to 19th slide? Now this is a very, very beautiful slide, okay? And these analogies are very nice. Now see, what is, you know what, I want some new hands also to be raised and I will ask them. Please raise your hand so that I can ask you. There are so many of you, but I cannot ask you because you're not raising your hands. Okay, Anshul, I want you to answer, and then Sai Vedas and then Garima, okay?
Okay.
So what is the relation between a fish and water, Anshul?
Well, a fish lives in water, and like water is the only thing that fish can survive in.
Very good. Now, next whom I told to answer, what is the relation between a honeybee and a flower?
The honeybee needs the flower's pollen to sustain its life and like live like as its food source.
Very good. Next, Garima, what is the relation between a cow and a calf?
The calf needs milk.
Yes, milk from the mother cow, right?
Yeah.
And is she dependent on the mother cow? She has to drink the milk from the mother cow, right?
Yes.
Yes. So see, all three over here, the relation is that the fish has to depend on the water. Okay, if it is away from the water, it cannot survive. A bee, it has to depend on the flower. If it does not get the flower, if it does not get the nectar, there is no purpose of its life. A calf has to be with its mother. It will drink only the milk from the mother. So it is totally dependent on the mother cow. Okay, just like that, we have to be dependent on our guru. If we have to survive in this material world, if I want to go back to Godhead, Mataji, we can change the slide. If I have to go back to Godhead, and if I want to find the real purpose of my life, then I have to be dependent on my guru. 20 slide, Mataji. So this is what is my dependence on my guru. Okay, it is just that dependence that the guru does not need me, but I need my guru, because for my spiritual progress, I want my guru to be with me, or I want to listen to the guru. Unless and until I listen to the guru, I cannot go back to Godhead, right? Mataji, next slide, 21. Okay, now see, I am going to give you a very true example or true story which has happened. Okay, perfect surrender. Okay, now His Holiness Bhakti Charu Swami Maharaj, okay, he has shared this memory in one of his classes. Bhakti Charu Swami Yes, it is going to be started. Okay, maybe before we start, I will tell you the craft so that when you're doing the craft, you can listen to the story. We can do that way. Okay, in another few slides, we will go with the craft. Yes? Yes, Garima?
This is my Guru Maharaj.
Hari Bol. Hari Bol. Okay,
Hari Bol.
Yeah, so when His Holiness Bhakti Charu Maharaj, he was always into service of Srila Prabhupada. Before he got initiated also, he was into his service. And when he got initiated by Srila Prabhupada, what happened was, he was still serving and he was still with Srila Prabhupada and is doing things. So he did not go out that day anywhere. And what it is, when you get initiated, then you have to ask for alms. That means you have to ask for bhiksha, and then people will give you some dakshina, and that dakshina you have to offer it to your Guru Maharaj. So Bhakti Charu Maharaj, he was with Srila Prabhupada and he was serving him. So he did not get chance to go out. And in the evening, when all the other disciples came and gave the offerings, Bhakti Charu Maharaj felt so sad. He felt that Guru Maharaj, Gurudev, I did not give you anything. I feel so sad about it. And Srila Prabhupada said that you have offered your whole self to me. That is the biggest dakshina you can give it to me. You do not need to give anything else. So this is the surrender that each one should have. Whatever our Guru says, the Guru knows what is beneficial for us. Okay? And so we should be remembering all these words from our senior acharyas, and we should be trying to follow them. Okay, because we are just going to try to follow. We will not be able to follow completely because we are human beings and we are making so many mistakes. But as much as possible, we should try to follow. Mataji, the next slide. The story is very short for us, so we will go with the, okay. Okay, I think Mataji, this we have done. We will go to the story, the 23 and then immediately the 24 slide. I'm sorry, Mataji, to give you into this trouble. Okay, so what is the story we are going to do is how bamboo became Krishna's flute. Okay, many of you might know this story, but we will quickly go with this story. And this story is going to tell us what exactly surrender means. Kriti, can you read the title? Unmute and read the title. Kirti?
How bamboo became Krishna's flute.
Very good. Mataji, the next slide now. So now once what happened, Krishna, he used to always go in the Madhuvan, right? He used to go in all the gardens and he used to play over there. There were bamboo trees, there were creepers, there were big trees, and they all used to wait for Krishna. So, and Krishna used to say, oh plants, I love you. And they used to also say, Krishna, we love you. They had such beautiful relation with Krishna. One day what happened was that Krishna came running into the bamboo field, into the bamboo plants. Mataji, next slide, please. And then the bamboo plant asked, Krishna, what happened? What is wrong? Why are you so in such a rush? What happened? Then Krishna said, Mataji, next slide. And then Krishna said, you know what, bamboo? I need some favor from you. And the bamboo said, oh, what happened, Krishna? Do you need something? And Krishna said, yes, I need your life. I need to cut you. Now the bamboos thought, Krishna, do you really feel there is no other way out from this? Are you sure that this is the only way out? Krishna said, yes, this is the only way out and I really need you. Mataji, next slide.
What's a bamboo?
A bamboo is a hollow log which does not have anything inside and it grows tall. Can you see the plants over here, the bamboo plants?
Yes.
These are the bamboo plants and they grow tall and they are hollow inside. Okay. Have you seen a flute?
Yes.
Right? The flute is hollow inside, right? There's nothing inside.
Yes.
So those are the bamboo plants. Mataji, next slide. So then the bamboo said, okay, Krishna, if you need me so badly, okay, you can cut me out. And then Krishna cut the bamboo plant and then he had to make holes into that bamboo. Mataji, the next slide, I think it should be the last slide. Second last slide, 26th. So then, because he wanted to make a flute out of it, so Krishna started drilling holes in the bamboo so as to make a flute. Now see, bamboo was a plant, right? It had so much of trouble it was going through because remember, if anybody is going to pierce you, if anybody is going to pinch you, will you feel pain? Sham, will you feel pain if somebody is going to pinch you?
Yes.
Yes. So the bamboo that was literally pierced by things and made into holes. And it was suffering, it was crying. But deep in its heart, it was so happy that Krishna is I am getting useful in some service for Krishna. No matter what pain I am going through. But if my Lord, if my Guru, if my Krishna wants me, I can go through any sort of pain. Whatever Krishna wants, I can do that. Okay. And that is the reason this bamboo has so many holes, because it was made holes by Krishna so that he can make a flute for himself. Now, when this flute came, it was always with Krishna. Who will want to be with Krishna? Can you give me a thumbs up? Who wants to be with Krishna always?
Me, Mataji.
Thumbs up.
Mataji.
We always want to be with Krishna, right? And look at this flute. This flute was so fortunate that it was always with Krishna and it was always on the lips of Krishna. How fortunate. It took a little bit of pain to be drilled with holes, but at the end time, it was that he was always with Krishna. And the gopis asked that how is it that you have such a fortune? That Krishna sleeps with you, he wakes up with you, he's always with you. Mataji, last slide, please. And the gopis asked, you know what, we are so jealous of you. We wait for Krishna's company. But look at you, you're always with Krishna, you're every time with Krishna. And then Bamboo says, see, Krishna cut, he made holes into me, right? But the secret is that I am empty from inside. I do not have any qualification of myself. I do not have any qualification to go near Krishna. But it is due to Krishna's mercy. It is due to my Guru's mercy that I am becoming an instrument. I am becoming a way to make Krishna happy. Okay? And this is what Arjuna is trying to do in this. Mother, the very first slide now, where Krishna and Arjuna, or our verse slide. So we have to always be surrendered at the lotus feet of the Lord. Mataji, let me see if I can share this slide. Yeah. So now,
we can't see you, Mataji.
yeah, one second, coming up. Because we are done with that, now we are going to go with our craft. So I just want before that one time to show you the verse, and then we will go with the craft. Okay?
What are we making, Mataji?
Yes, we are going to make a very nice thing, and you will love to make it. Can you have your scissors, glue, and any paper, any thick paper also if you have? See, I'm going to show you what I want, what is there. Okay. Yeah, can you see this? See, this is just a tissue box which I had. Okay, a tissue box which I had. You can see me in the photo.
Yes, Mataji.
See, this is just a tissue box. Okay. Now, what are we going to do is we are going to keep our hand. See, can you see the first slide over there? You can see.
Yes.
Yeah. See, you make your finger into a fist. Can you make your finger into a fist? See, a fist like this. And that you can keep it on the paper and you can trace that fist. Can you do that? Just keep your fist on the paper.
Mataji,
Yes.
which side? This side or like this?
Yeah, you know what? Just make it with one and then we will flip the other side for the... See. We are going to make...
can you wait?
Yes, we can wait.
What
See, we are...
Mataji?
Okay, because we are talking about surrender to the lotus feet, we are going to make the feet. Okay?
Mataji, what do we do?
Yeah, just take any paper or any chart paper or any tissue box cover also. And then on the slide you can see, just keep your hand, the fist on this and start. I'm going to stop sharing and I will come on video.
Mataji, can we use a cereal box?
Yes, cereal box is also good. See, what I do, this is my fist and I'm going to keep this fist over here and I'm just going to trace it. See?
Mataji, mine is a small fist.
That's okay. That's okay, see? When you do it, it will come something like this. Okay? It will come something like this. Your fist and then just trace it. Take time and just trace it.
Can you just wait? How many are you supposed to make for one hand?
Yeah, only with one hand but make two fists like this. Make two imprints like this. Okay?
Okay, 2 feet, Mataji? Like 2 feet?
Yeah, with your hand but not with your feet. We are doing with your hand. Okay?
Mataji, are we supposed to do it with the same hand?
Yes, do the same hand because we are going to flip it then. Because with the second hand, it will become hard for you to make it with the left hand. So just make with your right hand 2 such imprints. Okay, I will make it and show it to you again.
Is it okay if both feet are in the same size?
Yeah, the same side is okay because we will be flipping it. See, this is what I made now. Like this, I have to make 2. See, 1 over here and 2 over here. Can you show me whoever has done it? Take time, no hurry.
Mataji?
Yes, wait, let me see you, Rudra.
This only came out.
Show me. Rudra, you're on.
Mataji, can you show the slide again?
Okay, 1 second. Let me show you the slide again.
Mataji, I'm still doing the feet, not that.
Can you see this?
Mataji, hear you.
Mataji, can you wait for? I'm still doing my feet.
Yes, yes, you can. I'm waiting for you.
Thank you, Mataji.
See, I've shown you the cutouts also.
Wait, Mataji, what are we making again?
We are making the lotus feet.
Lotus feet.
Do we cut out 4 or do we cut out 2?
2. You have to cut only 2. Okay, the same hand is okay because we will be just flipping it out. So don't worry about it.
My second hand.
Okay, if you have somebody to help you out, then you can do it with your second hand. If you do not have anybody to help you out, just do it with 1.
Mataji, can you be spotlighted? Mataji, we can do it another way.
Yeah, let me see. How do I spotlight myself? Mataji, can you spotlight me?
Can you show how to draw again?
Yes, 1 second. 1 second, okay? Yes.
Mataji?
Yeah, see what you do is I'll just show you how to draw it again.
Only this came out.
Okay, we can see you, Mataji.
Yeah. So see, what I do is I just take my fist. Okay, my fist. I put it in the paper and.
Mataji?
Yes.
We can do it another way.
Okay, whichever way, but see to it that you get with these 2 feet.
We can put our foot in the paper and then.
Your foot will be too big, beta. Your foot will be too big. Right? And we are doing the lotus feet of the Lord, the lotus feet of the Guru. So we do not want our feet over it. That means we are doing it with our fist. Okay? Keshavi, are you done?
Do we cut it out, Mataji?
Yes, please cut it out.
Mataji, are you supposed to cut the lotus feet out?
Yes. See, I'm showing you over here. Now I'm going to cut the exact outline, whatever I have cut. And I will show you.
Mataji, this is okay. Mataji, I've made 1
Yes,
foot.
yes. Now cut it out. Okay? Now cut it out.
Mataji, how
Yes.
does this look?
Who is it?
Sai Vedas.
Mataji, it's not
Yes, Sai Vedas, I can see you. Yes, Sai Vedas. You can, very good, Sai Vedas. Very good. You can cut it out now.
Mataji,
Yes.
I don't have any thick paper, so I'm not doing it.
You can have any chart paper also. Yeah. See, any carton of your cornflakes, that can also be used.
Yeah, I'm using. I don't have any of that.
Okay, no worries. When you get it, you can do it. Radhika, very nice.
Mataji, what do we do after that?
Yeah, once you do it, let
What do we cut it?
take the color, Jagdish. Everybody listen. You can. Now, I had a metallic color, but you might not have it, so don't worry. Any color you have, you can just put a blob of color and color it. What I'm going to do is, First, you have 2 of these. Show me if you
No,
have.
Mataji. You wait.
See, what I'm going to do is, any color, if you do not have a color like this, take a crayon and color it out. Can you do that? If you have a blue color, if you have a yellow color, you can use that. Okay? If you do not have a paint, just
Do we
take a
have to
crayon.
use metallic paint?
If you have. If you do not have, do not bother.
Mataji, do you have to do Can we use normal paint?
Yes, use normal paint. You can even use your crayon.
I'm using color paper.
I'm using
Yeah, if you're using color paper, then you do not need to color it. Okay? On only one side. See, I will have
Mataji?
Yes.
After you cut out, after you get the tracer, do you need to like cut it on cardboard?
If you are doing it on can you show me where you are?
Can we color it with marker?
Yes, you can color it with marker also. Play with us. You had some questions?
Yes.
Yes, let me spotlight you. Yes, I with us. Yeah, you have cut it. Yeah, very nice. So now cut 2 of them.
On the cardboard?
No, that is also okay. If you have a cardboard, you can use a cardboard. If you do not have a cardboard, that is also good enough. We use a cardboard because it will be more sturdy and it will be more stable. If you have a cardboard, if you have a carton, if you have a cornflakes carton, you can go ahead and use that.
Okay, Mataji. Thank you.
Mataji, is this it?
Yes. If you can have feet, see how is the feet looking, Radhika?
Let me show the painted feet, Mataji.
Wait, let me first
Mataji, can you
spotlight
see?
myself so that you can see.
Mataji.
Yes, beta, yes.
Mataji, is it like this?
Yes, the down portion, can you make a little bit curve, Khushi? Make a curve over here. Yes, Radhika, you had something to ask?
You know, the feet like this. Mataji, like this?
Yes, very good. Who is it asking? I do not see you.
Khushi.
Yes, Khushi, very nice.
What do we do after?
Yes. After that, Tanvik. Yeah, see, Tanvik, what?
Are we supposed to put paint on the feet? I got
Yes. You can either put a paint.
Mataji, I don't have metallic paint, so what color should I use for paint?
Any color is okay, Anika. Any color is okay. Very good, Ansh and Devam. You know what? You have to have, listen over here, see. Your foot should look like this. Ansh, Devam, your foot should look like this.
Like this. What do we put on the side?
Show me, wait. Yeah, you know what? The other one, can you flip it? Yes. Yeah, the flip the other side.
I did it.
Yeah, see, like this it should look. Yes, so what next step, what you are going, very good, Radhika. Either you can
Paint and pennies.
Yeah, 1 second. You know what? Now I'm going to first mute you all so that I can talk to you, everyone. See, what are we going to do is, once you cut it out, okay? I'm going to 1 minute mute you all. Okay. What are you going to do? Once you cut this out, you should have 2 of these and both should be a feet, right? Like one should not be like this. It should not be like this. See? It should not be like this. Right? It cannot be like this. It has to be facing each other, right? A normal feet. Remember, we are making the feet of our spiritual master. See? It should be facing like this. You should look at your feet, how it is. This curved portion and this curved portion. Right? Once you get that, then you can either use a marker, you can either use a crayon, you can either use a paintbrush, or whatever you have, just use it and color this portion. See, now for me, this color is different. Okay, everybody can have a look at it. So what do I do is, I had a metallic color. I just put a blob over here. I did not have time to look for a brush. So I just colored it like this. And I colored everything. See? So either you can use a crayon, you can use a marker, or you can use a paint. And paint can be any color, don't worry. Because everybody might not have the metallic color. See?
Mataji, can we use pencil?
Yes, whatever.
After we color. Mataji, can we use bright yellow?
Yes, use any color. See? This is how I colored my...
Mataji, can you show both of your feet again?
Yes, both of the feet are over here. See? Can you see this?
Yeah.
Yeah. So what do I do is, after I color, whatever you have to decorate. Okay. See, now I had these twinkles.
Mataji, look at my feet, Mataji.
Show me the, what is it?
Hello, Mataji.
Yes, Tanmay, very nice. Now cut it out. And then you can, if you want, you can put it on a cardboard, or you can just stay like that also.
Mataji, how many legs do we have to do?
Did you hear that? The Mataji said that I can put it on the cardboard.
Yes.
Simo, what did you say? You want to put it on a cardboard?
What do we do after we colored?
Yes, after we color it, see, I have these twinklies, okay? If you have some glitter, you can use glitter. If you have some things which you can draw, then you can draw. Now what I did was, I had this. My paint was fresh, so I could just stick this over here. See? Now what I'm going to do is, I'm going to stop share over here. And yes, now see, you can see me, right?
Can I wait for my paint to dry, then I can do it?
No, this, yeah, if you want to draw, then you can wait your paint to...
I have got some flowers.
See,
Can I wait for my paint to dry? Can you keep the steps one?
Got it too.
okay, so what did we do was, we first cut out the, wait, see, we first cut out the footprints, okay, with our hand. Then we painted it, and now we are decorating it.
Mataji,
Yes.
can I wait for my paint to dry?
What are you going to... Okay, wait. Let me answer one person. Who is it who wants the paint to dry?
Lakshmi.
Shri Lakshmi, what are you going to do afterwards?
Just press that.
I'm going to, after the paint dries, I'm going to decorate it.
Okay, then you can decorate it. You can use glue and decorate it, okay? Can you all see this, what I'm doing?
Yes, Mataji.
Okay, again I'm going to spotlight the video. Okay, you can see me, right?
Yes, Mataji.
Okay, so see, now what I'm doing is I'm just decorating it over here. See? Everybody show me what all you all have done till now.
Will it actually like stick automatically?
I have done this.
Yeah, you know what? Now I'll tell you a trick. Yes, Radhika, very nice. I'll tell you a trick. What I did was, because I used paint, my paint is wet. Okay. And because the paint is wet, this sticking is immediately sticking over it. So I do not need to use a glue.
Okay, I get it now, Mataji. This is going to be easier.
Yeah, but if you are going to wait for your paint to dry, because you want to decorate it in some other fancy way, you can always use a glue stick or a glue, and then you can do it. Okay? And you know what I did? I had these beads.
I'm going to wash my brush.
Very good. Very good. If you want, you can stick it on something which is a flat surface, or you can keep it like that. If you feel that the paper is very thin, yes, very good, Radhika. Now you can do, you know what? If you do not have, Radhika, if you do not have anything to decorate it, you can even draw something on the sides. Okay. And then what I did was, see, I had a bead over here. Yes.
Yeah, and I just had 2 flowers, so I'm going to use.
I just put my foot on a piece of paper, and then I take this and just put 2 drops on there, and then just spread the paint.
Okay. Never mind. Okay, so you can decorating part, you can do it as you want.
Mataji, can
Yes.
we put these tiny beads?
Yes, you can put tiny beads also. You can decorate it as you want. See, when we go to the temple, sometimes the Lord's paduka, that means the Lord's slippers which are there, they are sometimes filled with gems. So you can even do that.
Put ribbon and put some beads on top of it.
See how your feet is small it is, and how the ribbon, because the ribbon might be too big for it.
And
You can put glitter over it.
Mataji?
Yes, very good, Radhika. Flowers, they look very nice. You can even draw something, okay?
Yeah, I'm going to draw something.
Mataji,
Yes.
I need to put my thing somewhere.
Yeah, see now
So I
I
can
am almost done.
I think it's almost done, right?
Okay, this thing is not yet sticking, but see, like this. And if you have any bead, if you have any pearl, then you can make it as the over here to put the toe in, right? Don't forget to put this. If you have some pearl or if you have some moti, just put it over here.
Put my other stuff away.
Okay. So everybody's got it? Show me what you all are doing.
Oh, I'm going to
This.
Okay, very good, Radhika.
Slipper. I painted
Yes,
one.
very good, Ojasvi. Very nice.
Mataji.
Who else is there? Okay, let me see.
Where are you want? Go to your desk. You're painting on my desk. You can't paint on my desk. Go to your desk and paint.
Very nice, Kriti. Very nice. Kirti. Very nice. Tanvik, I see you are working. Shama Gauri, I'm seeing is working. Very good, Shama Gauri. I'll put the slides in the WhatsApp group also. Okay, I'll put the photos. Very good, Shama Gauri.
Mataji, your video is off.
Yeah, and can you see me now? Yeah, wait. Let me spotlight.
Is it like, can you see?
Yeah, better now.
Yes, Anika, I can see you also working. Timo, I can see you working. Okay, but I want everybody to send. Radhika, very nice.
Mataji, after I'm done, I'm gonna send my picture.
Yes, please send the picture in the WhatsApp group, okay?
Slides, Mataji.
Yes, I will send these photos in the group, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so now can we end the call?
Yes.
Vancha kalpatarubhyascha kripa sindhubheva cha patitanam pavanebhyo vaishnavebhyo namo namaha. Anantakoti Vaishnavrinda ki jai. Srila Prabhupada ki jai. All the kids ki
Krishna Mataji.
jai.
Thank you,
Thank
Mataji.
you so much. Thank you, Kavish. Thank you. Hare Krishna. Very good. We can end the call. Hare Krishna.
You have to leave.
Vinita Randarika Mataji.
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 Yeah, we can end the call.
This one, Mataji. Okay.
Very good. Hare Krishna.
Bye, bye,